What's going on, guys? Waxcracker coming at you with another break, and just a quick one today. Got a box of the new Stadium Club. Haven't picked up any Stadium Club in a while. I think I got a box or two of 2015, but that's it, and I don't know why, because I really like this stuff. So let's get cracking into this. There were two boxes at Target when I went yesterday. The other one looked like it could very well have been searched. The plastic was torn on it, and I wasn't feeling that one. So here we go. 8 packs in a box. 5 cards in every pack. Would like to get some hobby boxes of this stuff, but none around here. You're gonna have to order it offline. Always love the look of Stadium Club. The photography is awesome, and photography is something that you don't really hear too much about in cards anymore. It's all about the hits. So here we go. First pack. I have different variations: red foil, black foil, chrome variations, super outside shot at some low numbered parallels, autos. But look at the base. Full bleed photography, super glossy, just real nice looking stuff. It's Stadium Club, has basically always been since it came out back in '91. There's a look at the back there. Here we go. Thomas Nido. Mike Fultonowicz. Jose Abreu. Josh Harrison. Francisco Lindor. Cannot read these. Sean Manaea. Got a sepia parallel. Marcell Ozuna. Do not believe those are numbered. Nope. Josh Bell. Greg Polanco. Gregory Polanco. Next up, Darryl Strawberry. Matt Carpenter. George Brett. A lot of old school dudes in here too. Manny Margot. Hunter Pence. I just love the photography in this stuff. It's real high quality stuff. And like I said before, that's what Stadium Club's always been about. Stadium Club has always been about the full bleed pictures, the quality of the photos. I don't know, I think it's cool looking stuff. Carlos Santana. Andrew Stevenson. Kyle Seager. Got an insert here. Never Compromise, Mark McGwire. Evan Longoria. Oop. Could make a really bad McGwire no compromise joke, but we're not going to do that. Chris Davis. Eric Hosmer. Cameron Maben. Carlos Rodon, sorry. D. Gordon. Troy Scribner. That one's not familiar. Archie Bradley. Power Zone. Nice. Ohtani. Very cool. Power Zone Ohtani rookie. No, he's not pitching for the rest of the year, but he's back out there hitting. Nelson Cruz. Mitch Haniger. Jose Ramirez. Austin Barnes. Bryce Harper. Got a red foil parallel. Trevor Bauer. Yadier Molina? Yep. Yadier Molina. Last pack. Miguel Sano. Rogas. Nicky Delmonico, rookie. Jorge Alfaro. Special Forces, was that Scherzer? Max Scherzer. And Carlos Martinez. Alright guys, quick break, that's it. Definitely the highlight of the box, this Ohtani Power Zone rookie insert. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, get cracking.